Right then, just loading up Wild Bronco. Played a game I've not played before. Don't think I've ever seen anyone play this. I just left the Zeus 2 and £100 in this. Actually, let's have a look at the info screen. Where is that? That's up there. Random game. How'd you get a... Oh, you press that again, don't you? Oh, there you go. Need the Broncos.
I don't think that's amazing. No, 22. I don't have it to through. Give us only 5 goals.
Ah, no, I think they're wild.
She's out Super-Mare. Yeah. Oh, Dave, you know this.
Oh, it's got a red-black gamble. Red-black. I don't think this has got a bonus. Yeah. How much should I? Oh, £10 line. So it did a did like a little extra spin then. Yeah. So I'm guessing a big cluster of those yeah, big clusters of those horse. £20 win. All those clubs. I don't actually know if there is spades on there either, but hopefully get another win. Pretty soonish.
Chances. I'm just going to chase this one.
£17. Oh, 68. I was going to hit it again, but start hitting that like I have done before. You know how it gets like. They're £200 a line, those horses. Probably why you're not seeing many people play this, because not that good. I'm guessing it's got potential when
hasn't landed on this.
Right, last press, and I'm going to switch games. I've seen it out. I'm going to try Wildfire. So I'm still £100 in, just got off that Bronco game. 92% random game. You like this one? I don't think I've ever played it. Right, £10. Times 4. £10 a line. £50. Let's go for it times 2. Okay. Let's just bank a little bit. Blow it in. Oh, one out. I got another gamble.
40 and a red.
Nice. Alright, switch to multi-rod. Multi-wow. So you need wilds to appear with wins, and they multiply them. So if you get 3 wilds, then you get times out. A bell ring for £16, times 5. Oh, another gamble. Long delay. Oh, £12. Nope. That's the first thing it's done in a little while. £26. Just needed a nice little multiplier then. Proper long spin.
It's £15 if it makes it. That's 200. 250. Taking 20 of those.
Alright, £16 win.
Right, that was £100, wasn't it?
Does not want to give me a gamble on this.
All the low symbols are gone.
I'm going to load some more money in it.
What's that? Exchange.
Alright, let's have a 80 in it. So that's 180 in the terminal. Right. 16.
That's a bell ring, right?
Yeah. Bell ring for £16. 8x. Alright, let's go for a times 4 times 2. Not today. Okay. Times 4. Wow, can't get a gamble on this.
It's about 500 pounds.
Over £16. doesn't like me today to gamble.
Oh, goodness. Yeah, come on. You can do it. And we're on
But that was coming in then. Nice slow spin. £24 win. Due times 4. Do nothing. Alright, £8. Right, it's the first gamble I've got right. Okay, so we got currently 220 in, I think. Gonna switch games anyway now. 2051 for a times 5. Times 5, okay. Plan is happening. I wanna hit that times 5 again.
Right, so I'm going to have that. Jumper times 2.
Oh, it's gone all the whole way, is it? Yeah.
Then we're spending 4 times 5.
I'm just going to keep to the plan.
Times 10.
The plan is working.
Yeah, look at that. 30.
Oh, it's a shame. Too much of a long spin.
That's 5. That is 200.
Lovely.
Some nice crumbs as well.
Yes.
I'm tempted to chase that double just because it's missed so many times. And that's around 230. We're in.
Yes.
So just shout.
Didn't even want to go for the jackpot.
No.
Ah, nice that.
Okay, I'm 100 up in my pocket. That's good.
Try this at 40.
I've gone for. That's what I've got. Drive on the spoon. Let's go. It's quite good though. Alright. Go down. Go down.
Couple of power spins.
So it's giving 40, 220, but it's not.
It's currently 220 in it. Hope to get a tease in a minute. Stop and Step's just gone to one of my favourites. I have Horus. Right, we're in. Everyone's favourite fishing frenzy.
Oh, really amazing, isn't it? Oh, Campbell is really so play on.
Right. Come on, matey, with the old fish. Fisher rod. Yeah, over halfway. Oh, it's £51 now. Fish everywhere. Have a bullseye. 2 spins left. $106. I'll play it for a little bit longer. That's a nice quick bonus. They do tend to string bonuses together. I've also switched to Horus. Going to try £40 with this.
They used to love it, didn't they?
Yeah. Those are first tees. Second tees?
When they first came out, for quite a while actually, always getting played.
First thing it's done from the 40 auto plays.
Oh, breaking the number.
14. Yeah.
Let's start with
£21. Okay.
that is tattoo notes.
Yeah.
£80.
Nice. Darren's got a bonus on Horus.
Come on, guy. Oh,
Retrig will be nice, yeah.
very rare retro, isn't it? Guys, does it do it?
It's just a handy coat.
Yeah, it is. Right, I'll see you in a minute.
That was a little gambler. Yeah. Oh, another gamble. 18 quid. There we go, rolling some aces. Oh, 48 quid. Oh, I'm gonna go for a red. Tempted. Try and get a bonus. About 300 in. Squeeze it. Alright, finally first feature. Thought it was going to drop in another one of the upgrades there. Because it had the eyes. Let's see how disappointing this is though. Okay. Right, we're on the pigeons. The seagulls, whatever they're called. Nice. They're 60 quid a line. Right, 7 spins left. On the poodles. It doesn't make no difference how many that boosts. Nice. That's a line of dogs. Right, chances now. Oh, there's another line of dogs. Might be a pot. It's a lovely bonus. Got 4 spins left. Again, just need 4. That'll be alright. Yeah, nice. Get in there. Nice. Happy days. Well, I'm going to play a few more credits off and then I'm going to move on to another terminal. So I'll see you in a sec.